for car, cow, cat, and camel, and a sweet, yummy cake. Come and sample. D is for duck and dolphin in the sea, swimming and splashing, so happy and free. E is for eagle flying up so high, and the elephant with its big floppy ear and eye. F is for frog, fox, and fish in the stream, jumping and swimming, living the dream.
G is for guitar, goat, and giraffe, strumming and grazing with a joyful laugh.
H is for hedgehog, horse, and hummingbird, singing sweet songs you've surely heard. I is for iguana, ibis, and island, and ice cream to cool off, so delicious and grand. J is for jellyfish, jaguar, and jam. Jungle station is where we all say ham. K is for kangaroo, koala too, hopping and climbing, the fun's all through. L is for lion, lemur so sweet, roaring and swinging to a great beat. M is for music and monkey fun, singing and dancing, we're not yet done. N is for narwhal, net and more, swimming and fishing right by the shore. O is for octopus, orange ostrich, in the ocean and on land they're quite rich. P is for peacock, party and pumpkin, parrot and penguin, all having fun then. Q is for quokka and quail in the field, smiling and chirping with joy they yield. R is for river, rainbow, and raccoon, rabbit hopping along under the moon. S is for star, sky, safari, and snake, adventure awaits, come and partake. T is for train, tiger, and turtle, riding through jungles all big and fertile.
U is for umbrella, uncle, and bird,
Under the rain, it's the best you've heard. V is for vulture, violet and blue, flying and flowering, joy fills the room.
W is for whale, wolf, and woodpecker, knocking on trees, what a fine heckler.
X is for xenops, and the air is so neat, exploring the world with their tiny feet.
Y is for yak, strong and proud, walking through mountains, standing so loud. Z is for zebra and zorilla so grand, stripes and spots marching hand in hand.